Hi YouTubers, welcome back to CV Power Sports Garage. Today we're working on this 2017 Yamaha TTR 125. We're going to do an oil change.
Right here on the left side of the bike is our drain bolt. Right here by the shift lever. This is hers to drain the oil. So let's go ahead and get her drained. Right, we got our 17mm wrench. Put it on our bolt. Tap her to break her loose. Make sure we got a drain pan under so we catch all this oil. We don't want to make a mess on the shop floor. And she's nice and warm. That's what you want to make sure that we warm the bike up before you do an oil change. Make that oil nice and runny and come out with everything, and also a lot faster. Now that she's done draining, I'm gonna wipe off all the oil that got on this little skid plate and go ahead and put this plug back in her. $17mm wrench. Make sure she's getting tight. And now we will go and measure out 1 quart, or 1 liter, of 10W40 Yahmaha. That's what's suggested for this, so we're going to use Yahmaha 1040. Right, we're going to take off the fuel spout and always blow off any sand or junk that's around it. So I don't want to go into the engine when we open her up. There we go. Junk away from the hole. We don't want anything going in there. Alright, and we got the Yahmaha 10W40. We're going to measure out 1 liter in my measuring cup here. And there we are, 1 liter exactly. Use our funnel, make sure the funnel is nice and clean. And we're going to put our oil in. Okay, there's our 1 liter in the engine. Clean our dipstick off and stand the bike up when we check the oil level. Make sure she's standing up straight. And she's full. Right on the money. We'll put the cap back on and be done with her. Wipe everything off. We got no oil sitting around. Alright, now that we got the oil level correct, everything's changed and ready to go, we'll turn the ignition on and fire this bike back up. Make sure she's in neutral. Give her a start.